Crypto moves fast, it moves hard, and it leaves more fair value gaps than almost any other market. If you know how to read them, you've one of the most reliable frameworks available for navigating some of the most volatile price action in the world. Today on PU Prime's Web Trader, I'm going to show you how to build a crypto narrative using fair value gaps. Let's get into it. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. So I'm on PU Prime's Web Trader and I want to show you how to build a narrative on crypto using fair value gaps, because crypto has some unique characteristics that make fair value gaps particularly prominent and particularly reliable as reference points. Crypto markets are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There's no defined session open in the same way as Forex, but there's still periods of high volume and low volume, and the transitions between them regularly produce the kind of aggressive, impulsive moves that leave fair value gaps. Bitcoin and Ethereum in particular tend to make large, fast moves that create multiple fair value gaps on the chart, and price returns to fill these gaps with notable consistency compared to other markets. The way I build a crypto narrative using fair value gaps is the same top-down process I use on any market, but with crypto-specific context. I zoom out and look at the larger picture first. Where is price sitting relative to the significant swing highs and lows? That tells me the external liquidity targets. Then I look at the fair value gaps that have been left behind during the most recent aggressive moves. Those are the internal draw points where price is likely to retrace to before making the next leg. If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, it's time to stop relying on guesswork. Let me introduce you to signalpeak.io, a trading signal platform built around precision and structure, not random entries. With SignalPeak, you get real-time trading signals, clearly defined entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, plus structured market analysis that actually explains the setup. There are also dedicated channels tailored to different trading styles, so you can follow what suits you best. Most importantly, everything is built around discipline and proper risk management, because consistency always comes first. If you're still unsure, they offer a free trial, so you can test the quality for yourself before committing. Don't chase the market. Trade with structure. Trade with confidence. Try signalpeak.io today. Now, let's get back to the video. When I have an unfilled fair value gap sitting below current price in a bullish structure, that is a zone I'm watching for price to come back to and react from before continuing higher. The narrative is fair value gap as the pullback target, ERL as a continuation target. The key difference with crypto versus Forex is the magnitude of the moves and the gaps they leave. Fair value gaps on Bitcoin can span thousands of dollars and remain unfilled for weeks or months before price returns to them. Patience is a core part of trading fair value gaps, right? You mark them, you watch them, and you wait for price to come to you rather than chasing every move. Now, I want to spend some proper time on PU Prime's copy trading feature here, because for anyone getting into crypto trading specifically, it's one of the most relevant tools available to you on the platform. Copy trading on PU Prime lets you allocate capital to automatically mirror the positions of a professional signal provider. Their trades appear on your account proportionally and in real time. You do not need to watch charts around the clock or be available at specific hours. For crypto especially, right, where significant moves happen at all hours and overnight, right, having a professional actively managing positions while you're not at your screen is a genuine advantage, right? The transparency of PU Prime's copy trading is what I keep coming back to. Before you copy anyone, you can see their complete trade history, right? Every pair they've traded, every entry and exit, every result. For crypto signal providers, right, specifically, you can see how they've navigated volatile conditions, right? How they handle large drawdown periods, whether they stay disciplined during big market moves or chased entries. Historical context is that important thing that you have when evaluating a provider in BU Prime, right? And it puts it all in front of you before you commit a single penny. When looking at crypto-focused providers, the things to prioritize are how they manage drawdown during high volatility periods. Crypto can move 10, 15, 20% in a single day, and a provider who blows up their drawdown during those events is not someone you want managing your capital. Look for providers with a track record that includes periods of high market volatility and see how they perform through them. Consistent managed drawdown through volatile periods is a far better signal than a strong win rate build during a quiet trending market. The copy trading feature on PU Prime is accessible directly through the app or client portal, right? You can browse providers, filter by performance metrics, view full trade histories, and set up copying in a few minutes. If you're actively learning to trade crypto using fair value gaps and narratives, having a professional running alongside your learning on the same account is one of the smartest ways to use your capital during your development phase. PU Prime link is in the description, so get in and explore the copy trading section. Big moves, big gaps, consistent fills. Crypto fair value gaps are some of the cleanest on any market if you know how to read them. Get on PU Prime and start mapping fair value gaps on Bitcoin and Ethereum tonight. The link is in the description. And if you want a professional managing your crypto exposure while you're still building your skills, the copy trading feature on PU Prime is exactly that. All the details are in the description below. Subscribe and I will see you in the next one.